My guy has 2 pans smoking like a double-barrel shotgun. Finally, the real fun is going to begin. Fire alarm alert is in full effect. Welcome everyone to episode 3 of Triple F, Fan Food Fair. I'm your host with the most, Art Turner, and we're sponsored by D.A.T.A Productions. Dreams are tangible aspirations. Scheme your dream. Thank you guys for the support. Without y'all, this series would not be possible. Go subscribe to the channel for more content. Chef D.A.T.A's back in the burner today to reaffirm his culinary clout. Word through the social media grapevine is saying that D.A.T.A isn't built for this, so with the permanent chip on his shoulder, expect him to put on a spectacular show. I am told he will still be wearing a scarf today, but the meal will not be based off it. So I am interested to see what kind of tricks he has up his sleeves. Let's get to the review. What the? Is that a big ass cup? 9, it's a Stein, from the Hippodrome, from the Oktoberfest beer garden in Munich, Germany. Cheeky this man. Oktoberfest is the largest festival on earth, with 6 million visitors from all around the world attending each year. Expect a lot of beer, schnitzel, and drunk American tourists at this one-of-a-kind event. Oktoberfest usually starts on the 3rd weekend in September and ends on the 1st Sunday of October. I heard he's not done yet. Seems as though he's going to wear the traditional Bavarian shirt while cooking. Chef D.A.T.A in an interview told us about his experience at the festival in Munich. The chef simply said, "The ambiance was great, from what I can remember, spoken like a true American tourist." We were able to snag some rare photos from his time there. Pull that up. This man stays with his shirt super unbuttoned. Has anyone talked to him? Finally, Chef D.A.T.A puts his scarf on. It's the Ajax football club out of Amsterdam. One of our reporters asked the chef, "Why this scarf?" And he replied, "Because it was the closest thing I had to a German scarf in my closet." At least he's honest. Let's pull up the map of Europe. As you see, the Netherlands is on the northwest side bordering Germany. Maybe D.A.T.A will showcase a Dutch dish in a later episode. Why is Chef D.A.T.A looking like one of those video game characters, looking like he wants to get picked? Let's get to the food roster lineup for today. We have potatoes, bacon, onion, spices, garlic herb butter, Bratwurst, Erdinger Pikante Weizenbach, Weihensteffene Hefe Weissbier. Not a lot of ingredients today, but I can tell you that we will be making some beer braised brats with some sort of potato side. Classic German cuisine is not overzealous with ingredients. Simple and hearty tends to be their calling card. Chef is starting with the potatoes first. I am told he boiled the tubers the night before and let them chill in the fridge overnight. The reason for that is so the potatoes are softer and brown better when it comes to the actual cooking. He is scraping the potato skins off. When they get boiled, the skins become easy to scrape. You must have a gentle but deliberate stroke while undressing these things. Finally, the tubers are completely naked with their starchy cheeks in the wind. Now he's cutting them. Is he going cottage fries again? Talk about not switching the style up. Oh no, I apologize. He's cutting the potatoes into cubes more or less. I am guessing he will be making a home fry. On to the onion. He is cutting the onion long ways into strips. My team is telling me he is using onions in both parts of the meal today, so half of the onion will be diced as well. Holy smokes, that's a wok. And for those trolls out there, no, a wok is not German. It has Southeast Asian and Chinese origins that date back over 2,000 years, but the versatility is unmatched. You can use woks for stir frying, steaming, pan frying, deep frying, poaching, boiling, braising, searing, stewing, making soup, smoking, and even roasting nuts. It's endless, really. So with that being said, I guess it's time to walk it like he talk it. He is now making the bacon into bits. My guy has 2 pans smoking like a double-barrel shotgun. Finally, the real fun is going to begin. Fire alarm alert is in full effect. Garlic herb butter going into both pans. Diced onions in smaller pan. And sliced onions in the wok. He's gonna let them joints saute for a bit. D.A.T.A is now going for the beer. The Erdinger Pikantes Dunkler Wiesenbach. With its dark color and smooth, creamy head, the flavor that develops on the palate is well-rounded and malty with a hint of nutmeg and fine nougat. The sparkling nature of this beer fits perfectly with its slightly sweet character, as well as its soft and delicate finish. You know, I'm not saying he's an alcoholic, but he stays taking swigs, and I like it. Pouring the goods in the wok, letting the onions marinate. The potatoes are going into the smaller pan with the onions. He's going to allow that to brown up, then add the bacon bits. Mouth-watering, to say the least. Now back to the drop-top wok pot, where it's time to add the brats. He has to be careful to make sure he doesn't burn all that precious beer off. That's going to be critical to the flavor. These brats are pre-cooked, so they will only need about 8 to 10 minutes. But if you're using uncooked brats, they will need to be cooked for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let's get a close-up. It's puffing like a habitual smoker. Now D.A.T.A.'s allowing everything to cook. The home fries are browning and the brats are steaming. Everything will be done soon. Time to plate. The German word for home fries is Bratkartoffeln. D.A.T.A. added parsley for freshness, then with the brat, making sure he got a good bit of the onions as well. But obviously, this would not be complete without a cold one. A beer from the oldest brewery in the world, founded in 1040 AD, the Weihenstephaner Hefe Weissbier. The golden yellow wheat beer with its fine poured white foam smells of cloves and impresses with its refreshing banana flavor. It is full-bodied with a smooth yeast taste, brewed with centuries-old brewing traditions. His beer pouring skills are suspect to say the least. Look at that foam. There he goes, using the side of the glass. Look at that beautiful golden color. Liquid courage to many, but liquid gold to me. Time for the taste test. Potatoes are good. Brats are good. Excellent. D.A.T.A. shows the world again his prowess under pressure. Another brilliant performance today in the Berna. Hopefully you all enjoyed. My name is Art Turner. This is Fan Food Fair, sponsored by... Oh wait, what's he doing? He's going 10 toes in on that beer. Look at him chug. Opening up and kicking it into second gear. This man loves to put on a show. Anyways, sponsored by D.A.T.A. Productions. Scheme your dreams, everyone. See you next week. Auf Wiedersehen.